Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can save notes in Evernote. It's very easy and simple. Once you're here in your home page of Evernote, you can go ahead and click on Notes. It's here on the left side of your screen. Once you're here in your notes, you can select either individual ones or you can select them all at once by clicking on Ctrl+A. And after that, you will see this blue bar on the bottom of your screen where you can click on the three dots. Whether you want to save them or export them, it all comes down to your choice. But at the end of the day, in this video, I'll show you how you can save these Evernotes with ease. So the first thing that I would suggest is to export them as a PDF. Just click on this button and it exports all of these pages. It merges them together nice and neatly, and then you can export them as a PDF file, so you can share them as a document here and there. But if you want to save them just as an Evernote file, which means if you want to share this to any other device which has Evernote, you want to open it up as an Evernote note, well, in that case you can go ahead and click on the three dots again, click on export and select this format, the ENEX format. This will make sure that you have saved these notes not only in your computer, but also if you want to have cross-platform access to these notes without having to delete them. Well, this is the best case scenario. Just click on this format, click on export, select the location of where you want this to be exported to, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Once all of this is done, you have successfully saved a note on Evernote. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.